for Just Nailed It, and today I am coming to you with a little collaboration with Explore with Penny. She is the one that inspired me to do the tie-dye nail art last week. So this week, 2 weeks later, 3 weeks later, whatever, we're doing polar bears. I will have the link to her video pinned down in the first comments below. So check her out, give her some love, show her some love. If you haven't subscribed to her already, please do so. As well as to my channel, if you are new here and you're just sliding on through, please hit that subscribe button, click the bell, and click all. Today, these are our nails. We've got our white, our black, and our pink we are using is by Diva in a Bottle. They're kind of dirty bottles. I use them a lot and they need to be wiped down, but whatever. We got our pink, white, and black, all from different collections. Check out divainabottle.com. So this is a Model 1, this is a thermal, this is chameleon, so whatever. This is a beautiful, beautiful polish. Let me get in the frame here if I'm not. I think that's just gorgeous. And you see on the bottle, it shows you the 2 color changes, but we're not going to be messing with the color changing today. Sorry about that. My hand's cramping up. We're going to dive in with our polar bears. And here is my palette with my colors. Load up your dotting tool. You could use a brush if you would like. I'm going to skip that for today. And I'm just going to draw out my polar bear. Just fill your polar bear with your dotting tool. Try to make this a little bit more rounder. Just a little bit. There we go. I'm going to cure this. I'm going to give it a full cure because it's kind of thick. I'm going to go over here to the thumbnail. We're going to do the same thing over here. Polar bear nail art is really super easy to do. You don't want to start off with the white nail per se. I know I have one. You'll see what I'm going to do in just a minute. Or in a couple. If you are new here or don't normally leave comments, I would like you to do so. Let me know that you were here, that you came on through. Have yourself something to wipe your dotting tool off with. So I'm going to let this rest for just a minute. Gel polish does level itself out. One of the beautiful things about it. Okay, you're going to get your dotting tool again. And we are going to do the eyes and the nose. So I should do so. Well, we got to put our ears on. What am I thinking? He's got to have some ears. So we're going to stick him back in the lamp. Forgot the ears on both of them. Let's pull the other one back out of the lamp. Give them some ears. We're going to stop the lamp and start over. Sorry about that. I'm sorry. Where's my top coat? So I'm going to dive in while I'm waiting on that with some of my bling. Alright. This one's over here. Gonna jump it around here a little bit. Gonna kind of straddle these over to the side a little bit. Well, I don't know what to do with it actually. I don't know. We're gonna bring these back out. Stick our bling in the, let me make sure it's so they do. So I'm gonna hurry and pop these in. Now we'll go in with our dotting tool. I'm sorry, I'm not even in frame here. I'm sorry. Give him a little nose. Yeah. Take the other end of your brush. Well, if you're using a brush, take the other end of your dotting tool where it's the smaller end. Put some pink in his little ears. And there's our polar bear. Super easy and cute to do. And your nose. Some pink in the ears. Slide them in the lamp. And give those a forward here now. We're going with the top coat on this nail to add the bling. Oopsie. Gonna do this one differently. So let me get these out of the lamp. Put this one in. I'm gonna pause, clean up my mess a little bit, and I'll be right back. Alright, we are back. We've got our last nail here. Kind of did my bling differently on each nail, which does not match. But whatever, that's what I'm going to go with. I think these turned out really cute. You're probably wondering about this nail here. Well, let me get a drink. Sorry, I needed to wet my whistle. My mother had a great idea. She did this once before on her nails. She painted them white. It's a polar bear and a snowstorm. Now, I want you to stop and think about a polar bear and a snowstorm. What are you going to see? That'll be it. So I'm going to pop this one in the lamp real quick. Give this a little bit of a flash cure. I'm going to top coat my other nails, my polar bears. You may think what I just did was lame, and I think it's brilliant. Because in a snowstorm, what do you see in a blizzard of a polar bear? You're gonna see his nose. That's it. Just his nose. So that was what I did. I did the polar bear's nose. I hope you understand. I hope you get a giggle out of it. If you don't, I'm sorry. But that's my polar bear in a blizzard. Oh, I can't get the camera off. I just need to top coat one more nail. There we go. We're going to put these in for a full cure. Shoot. And we're knocking things over. So there we go. I'm going to pause and we will be right back. Alright, we are back. We are fresh out of the lamp. If you will see these two here, they're going to slowly start to change. This is the chameleon. They're going from the darker blue to the gray. You'll be able to see this is the gray color right now. And they will go to the blue. Blue, blue, blue. I think this turned out really super cute. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of my polar bears. I think they turned out just adorable. I really do. So, leave me a comment. Make sure you go visit Explore with Penny so you see her rendition of her polar bears. I know they're going to turn out cute. I seen her little sample last week. Really adorable. Really adorable. She has some great nail art, so please check her out. Subscribe to her channel if you haven't done so already. She is just starting out in the nail community. She's been on YouTube for a few years, but I think she's just now, branching out into the nail world, and I'd like to welcome her with open arms with everybody. I have a little over 1,000 subscribers. Some of you don't watch anymore, and to each their own. That's whatever. I thank you for still staying with me, still subscribing. But if you come through every now and again, or you just go visit Explore with Penny and check her out, subscribe to her, leave her a comment down below, let her know that Just Nailed It sent you. So as you can see, the nails have all darkened up to the blue. Blue, blue, blue. I think this turned out really super cute. I think Blue, blue, blue. This is really pretty. I really do. So leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for being here with me. Have a blessed day, and thank you.